Hi traders, in today's video I am going to talk about why you are always thinking that an EA is going to go great, it is going to crush it in the markets, you are going to be the number one trader, and that if you are doing the same thing that you did in, for example, the last 3 hours with the EA, then you start to calculate when you are going to be able to buy your Lamborghini, all these kind of things. And it is an illusion. It is actually a scientific fact. It is completely just psychological illusion. When you think that if you are your EA is doing X amount of profit now with, for example, $100, then with $1 million or with $10,000, you would make the exact amount in percentage in long term. So if you are doing it with $100, then with $1,000 you are going to do this exact same, but of course relatively. So if you made $10 from $100, you are going to make $100 from $1,000, and so on. This is not the case because there is an exponential graph as when you are increasing your deposit, your profit percent is going down. And not just that, but as you are increasing your deposit and you are in the market for a longer time period, you are going to mature as a trader, and so your percentages are going to go down, but your drawdown is also going to go down. This means that you are not going to blow that $1 million really as you would do with a $100 account, because most traders think with a $100 account, when they are making good amount of money percentage wise, that yes, this is going to be the case with $1 million, but it would be disastrous because after all, every trader is blowing the $100 account. So you would blow the $1 million account. And so this is an illusion that everybody is thinking that, yeah, I am going to be a trillionaire just from trading, all these kind of things. There are many more obstacles, but this is a ratio that is very important to note. As a trader, as you mature, you are going to expect less profit, but still, since your drawdown is going to be significantly lower, you are going to understand that this is the reality of trading, and you are going to be so happy with 1%, 2%, 3% of gain, while when you were a beginner with a $100 account, that is nothing, that is $3. You would have been extremely depressed, and most of the time you were aiming for like 100% gain, all these kind of things, which is impossible. That is not something that you can do. That is just gambling. That is the same as watching a UFC fight and gambling on it, and just betting. It is the same as sport betting or any type of casino. So I hope this video was interesting for you. Ciao. If you want to check out the reality of your trading robot, check out my software, the Edge Matrix, which is the most complex analysis software in the market, in the retail market. And there's a completely free 7-day trial that you can try out. I think it is going to literally change your trading because I developed it initially for myself to be profitable long term, and it transformed my trading. Also, check out my indicators. There are some very complex ones now on my new website, MI8. And if you have any questions, let me know, because I'm still pushing and trying to educate traders, because I thought in the future, when I started in the future, there's going to be a paradise where traders are educated. No, gambling is worse than ever. So I am pushing forward.